generation and transmission. From the word power generation is nag-create siya electricity. And transmission is muna siya gikan sa mga power plant, then iyang ang mga power generation is nag-produce. Ang power transmission is mura mo siya nagapakuan nag-transmit pato sa mga consumers. Then next slide is electricity in the US. Electricity in the US and Canada is primarily generated, transmitted, and distributed by large public or privately owned utility companies. Some manufacturers and homeowners act as small power producers. So, electricity daw sa US and Canada is gikan sa mga
Electricity distribution in other things, the building includes all devices and systems used to bring power from the electricity company to the electrical devices inside the building. So, from the definition of services equipment is to ensure the safety and reliable. Para ma-sabtan na lang itong topic, component sa so first is servicing sa kanto sa player dito sa dinato na tawag na service sa then next is distribution of electricity to different discussion about mga safety measures. So I will talking about fuses and circuit breakers. So muna siya ang form of circuit breaker and muna siya sa fuse. And nagalasan kita ang mga fuse niya ng mga nag-skillet sa mga circuit. Ay alam siya na siya important role na ginagawa ng yun. And then yung circuit breaker, kabalay, kadalasan ang nagsasalang ito, dali ang mga access. So, the first one is protect electrical circuits from damage caused by overcurrent. So, common misconception is, dili ako ang pinaprotect ali ng mga butang. Dili ako pinaprotect sa fuse and circuit breakers. But instead, ang yung pinaprotect is electrical circuits, which is, by product niya is ma-protect na ang butang. So, indirectly, what is a fuse? A fuse is a one-time use device that interrupts excessive current by melting a wire inside.